Congratulations, your YouTube channel is growing, you're making ground, but now how do you actually take that success and turn it into an income for your channel? Hey Creator Crew, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first video, consider clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell, and don't forget to turn on mobile notifications so you're alerted to future content. So we're on YouTube, we're making videos, people are watching our videos, and we've heard about this money that people are making. In this video, we're going to talk about some ways that you can start to explore making money around your content. Now hold up, wait. If you're somebody who says, hey, I don't want to make money, this is just a hobby, I want you to listen for just a moment. Hobbies cost money too. Even if it's your passion, it does have expenses. If you put a system in place that allows you to recoup some of those expenses, it's going to make it much easier for you to go deeper into your craft, deeper into your passion, and explore new ways to share that passion with your audience. So we're not asking you to throw on a suit like Boss Baby and march around like a CEO. It just means that you want to set up some type of process to offer products or services to your audience that can help you make a little money to support your channel. Now, there's basically two different ways that this happens. It's either some product or service that you yourself have created or a product or service that someone else has created. Typically, the easiest way to get started with this is a product or service that someone else has created or is selling. We're going to use Amazon as an example. So Amazon has an affiliate program called Amazon Associates. Basically, they allow you to link to specific products on Amazon, and if the traffic comes through your link and someone purchases the product, you receive a small percentage of that sale. Seems like a pretty good deal. It's very low overhead. You don't have to worry about products or creation, any of that. You don't have to build a course. You're simply directing your traffic over to a product and service or service that actually exists. Now, you'll find as you move through, typically the things that are easier to do offer less money. The stuff that requires a little more time and effort certainly has the potential to earn you more money. But if you want to start to understand the process and see how the traffic flows through your content to links, then that is a great way to get started. So you have an example like Amazon that has millions of products and millions of visitors that go and buy products on a daily basis. You also have other companies that are more specific perhaps to the type of content that you're making. Say there is a service that you use for your particular niche, and that service is something that would benefit your audience as well. That particular company may have their own affiliate program, and you may be able to direct people to that service and receive a percentage of that sale if anybody decides to purchase the service. In many cases, forming these relationships with affiliate programs that are more tightly woven into the topic that you are covering on your channel can prove to be more financially rewarding than something like a general affiliate relationship with something like Amazon. And if you're wondering how you convince your traffic to actually click on the link, there's a couple different ways that you can do that. If you're somebody that makes videos as an example, you can simply say, hey, if you want to check out all the equipment I use to make this video, links are in the description below. Or maybe you're doing a specific video, for example, on my other channel, We Love RV Camping, it's obviously RV and camping related. If I am doing something like changing a tire or putting something up inside the camper, I can say, hey, I got this product over at Amazon. It's great. I chose it because XYZ. I'll put a link in the description below. You can head over to Amazon and grab one for yourself. Now, where things really start to get interesting is when you dive into creating products or services for yourself. Obviously, in that scenario, when you direct your traffic to that product or service, there's no middleman to take the majority of that money. You're getting the entire sale. But what kind of products and services can you offer as a content creator here on YouTube? That's really going to depend on the type of content that you make on your channel. If your channel is more informational or instructional, then you have a golden opportunity to continue that education or instruction through a digital product. Say, for example, you want to show somebody how to make a sign for your garden out of reclaimed pallet wood. Obviously, they're going to get some of the information in the video and you're going to show them the finished product and get them interested. But for those who may not be able to pick up everything from the video and they want to know the things that you didn't include in the video, you can say, hey, I've put together a step-by-step PDF guide that takes you from going out and finding the pallets to separating them and building the sign all in a convenient step-by-step process. It's available for $9.95. There's a link in the description below. There's a variety of services out there that can host that that digital product for you so that when somebody buys from you, it automatically goes to them. But if you're just getting started and you don't want to spend money on that additional service, it can be as easy as creating a link through PayPal, having them go to PayPal, and you seeing the email come in from a payment from PayPal, turn around and send them that PDF guide. It can be that simple. There's obviously some more streamlined ways to automate that process, but you just need to know that there are ways that you can do this entire process without spending any additional money. And hey, real quick, I wanted to mention I'm hosting a conference for video creators just like you who want to learn how to build a business around their content, have that revenue coming in so they can explore their passion and create their freedom. If this sounds like you, head over to peopleofvideo.com, grab your tickets. It's a very intimate event. There's going to be less than 200 people, so you want to make sure you secure your ticket before they sell out. There's going to be over 20 speakers, myself, Roberto Blake, Owen Video, Brian G. Johnson, as well as many other instructors who are going to share their knowledge with you so you can implement it in your business. And if you haven't been considering your YouTube channel a business, this is a great event for you to understand exactly what that's all about and how you can implement it around your content. And I have an assignment for you. In the comments below, I want you to describe what your channel's about. I will respond to each and every comment to give you ideas about how you can generate revenue around your topic. And hey, growing your channel and building a business is a process, so don't let the learning stop here. On screen now, I'm going to share a video that provides you with even more information to help you grow here on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.